Welcome to English Made Simple. Hi, what's going on?
Hi, do I know you?
No, but I know you very well.
Oh, tell me about yourself.
I am Sarah from Toronto, Canada.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Same to you. Where are you going?
I am going to a mall for shopping.
What thing do you want to buy?
I want to buy some clothes and home decoration accessories.
Do you like to decorate your home?
Yes, I like to decorate my home.
Which is the best place to sit in your home?
I think my room is my best place to sit in my home.
Do you like to take tea?
Yes, I like to have tea twice a day.
Are you feeling cold?
No, I am not feeling cold.
Do you like to take tea when you are feeling cold?
Yes, I like to take tea when I am feeling cold.
Can you write in English?
Yes, I can write in English after thinking.
Can you read in English?
Yes, I can read in English without any difficulty.
Can you speak English?
No, I can't speak English.
What kind of weather do you like the most?
I like fall weather.
Do you have a favorite hobby?
Yes, I have a favorite hobby.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is to learn spoken English.
Why do you enjoy learning English so much?
I enjoy learning English because it allows me to learn new things.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I have been to many concerts.
What kind of concerts were they?
They were rock bands, pop singers, and classical musicians.
Who is the funniest person you know?
I think the funniest person I know is my friend Sarah.
Thanks for watching.